Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we will see how you can use amazing AI option in your WhatsApp. This is official update, and for this purpose you need to go to your WhatsApp like this one. Currently there is no option of AI chat here. So first of all you need to update your WhatsApp. Go to your Play Store and search here WhatsApp. So this is our WhatsApp. We have here update. Click on update. Now it's updating your official WhatsApp. So WhatsApp updated here. You need to just open here. As you are observing that we have ask Meta AI search option here by default from WhatsApp official, and here is a AI chat button for your ease. So first of all we will search here ask anything. These are by default options, like you can search anything here without typing, like I want to check the tech gadgets wish list. So click continue. So it's answering, you can check it. Amazing AI option. These are multiple options here. So what are the most popular shows on Netflix? You can search anything here, or you can go to this button for direct chat. This one, click on it. Like I can search or type anything. In night. So it's searching, working for me. So it's wolf image in night. I can type anything, wolf with moon. So guys, in this way you can enjoy amazing AI option with image processing and with text processing. Thanks guys for watching and learning.